Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explain STUBHUB app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with a quick breakdown analysis and a app review about STUBHUB. So to get started, STUBHUB is a popular app for buying and selling tickets to concerts, sports, theater events. It has a large selection of tickets and the mobile app is easy to use with features like seat preview, instant digital delivery. The platform also offered a fan protect guarantee, which promises that your ticket will be valid or you'll get a refund. It's a solid choice for finding ticket even for a sold out event. However, users often complain about hidden fee that only appears at checkpoint, making the final price much higher than expected. Some also report issues with customer service, especially when trying to get a refund or resolve problem with a cancelled event. While the app works well for many, this concern make it less ideal for buyers who want full transparency. Overall, StarStop is worth for varieties and convenience, but be cautious with price and support. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this mobile app, and that's it.